Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will learn you a very beautiful and very elegant knitting stitch pattern. This pattern will be great for all kinds of knits. This is very beautiful, very pretty knitting pattern. See what a beautiful looks of this pattern. This is our front side and this is the this is our back side view of the pattern. This will be great for baby sweater mainly. See, so this is only 6 rows repeat pattern and you need to cast on multiples of 5 plus 4 extra stitch, multiples of 5 and 4 extra stitch. So friends, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. So let's start. So for the demonstration, I took 15, 14 stitches on my needles, which is 2, 4, 5, 5, 5, 10 plus 4 extra stitch, 14 stitches. So we are going to start row 1 right side. We start from right side. Row 1 right side. Slip edge stitch and purl 2, purl 2 and pass this stitch, third stitch over this 2 stitch here. See, this way, pass third stitch over 2 stitch and knit 1 and yarn over and knit 1, knit 1. This is our pattern. Again purl 2, purl 2, pass this third stitch over this 2 stitch this way. Now we knit 1 plain stitch, yarn over and 1 plain right side. Now we knit with purl stitch to purl and knit the last edge stitch. Now we finished the 1 row. Now we come. Now we have come to second row. Second row we slip edge stitch, and now we knit as it is, knit on knit stitch and purl on purl stitch. We need 2 plain stitch and 3 purl stitch. 1, 2 and 3 purl stitch. This is our pattern. 2 knit stitch and 3 purl stitch. Now we again repeat the pattern. We will repeat the pattern 2 and 2 knit stitch and 3 purl stitch. 3 purl stitch. Now we knit 2 stitch straight and edge stitch we knit purl. This is our second row. We have completed. Now we have come to third row. Now third row we slip edge stitch, and now we start the knitting the pattern. We knit 2 purl stitch, and now we knit 1, yarn over, knit 1 and yarn over, knit 1. This is the pattern. Purl 2, knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, again yarn over and knit 1. This is our pattern. Again we repeat the pattern. Purl 2, purl 2 and knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 1. Now we knit purl 2. We knit purl 2 and last stitch on right side we knit edge stitch. This is our third row which I have completed. Now we start fourth row. Now fourth row we slip edge stitch. Now we knit as it is, knit on knit stitch and purl on purl stitch, knit 2 and purl 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is our pattern. Knit 2, 2, 1, 3, 4, 5. 5 purl stitch. Now again knit 2 and purl 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Knit 2 and purl edge stitch on wrong side. Now we completed fourth row. Now we start fifth row. This is our pattern. Fifth row we slip edge stitch, and we need 2 purl stitch to purl. Now we slip 2 stitch, and we need 2 stitch together and make 1 stitch. We will make 1 stitch this way. Now we need 1 stitch, and now we twist this stitch right way, this knit stitch right way, and we place left hand needle, and we knit 2 stitches together like this. Now we have reduced our stitches. We make 3 stitches. We have made 3 stitches. This is our pattern. Now again we repeat same process. Purl 2, slip 1, slip 2, and we knit 2 stitches together through back loop this way. Now we knit 1 and we twist last 3 fifth stitch to the right side this way, and we knit, place this left hand needle and knit together like so. Now we purl 2 stitches and we knit edge stitches. Last, this is our 5th row which I have completed. Now we have come to 6th rows on wrong side. Now 6th row, and we have last rows. Slip 1 and knit 2, purl 3. This is our last row. Again purl 2 and purl 3. Purl 3, the last 2 stitch, knit 2 and purl edge stitch. So we have completed 6 rows. See, you can use this pattern in any projects you like. So friends, if you like my videos, please do not forget to like, comment, share and support to me. Thank you to all. We will see you in my next video. Till then, have a good day.